All right, so I've already made my chain. And since we're going to be crocheting into the back bump, which is on the back side of the chain, we're going to turn it. Now, usually we would be crocheting into this top loop right here, but instead we're going to turn our work over and we're going to insert the hook in that back bump. I like to use my finger to kind of pull it over the hook because it is a little bit harder to work into. Okay, I'm just inserting my hook into that back bump and then working whatever stitch is called for in the pattern. I really like working into the back bump, not so much for the ease of doing the stitch, but for the outcome. The look afterwards gives you a really nice stitch on both sides. So let me just keep working this so that I can show you my whole chain worked. So that's just a really nice alternative to working foundation stitches, which are completely not my jam. I cannot get them to look right, but I do really like this option of working into the back bump of your starting chain or your foundation chain.